the direction ratio of normal to the plane. So the points are 0, -1, 0 and 0, 0, 1, and I am making an angle pi by 4 in the plane of pi minus z plus pi equal to 0 r. Therefore, let us consider equation of a plane B. Let us equation of a plane B. A into bracket x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. This plane passing to this part here. This plane passes through the point 0, -1 and 0. So substitute here. A into x minus 0 plus b into y minus of 1 here. Minus of minus become plus 1 plus c into z minus of 0 is equal to 0. A into x becomes ax here. Then plus b into y becomes by. Then plus c into z is cz and b into 1 becomes plus b. That is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3. And the same plane passes through one more part here. Okay, also this plane passes through the point 0, 0, 1 here. 0, 0 and 1 here. Then substitute here. X value is 0 and y value is 0. Hence a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into 1 plus b is equal to 0. This total becomes 0. Hence c plus b is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to minus of b. Take b written here minus b. Take this one as equation number 3. Then the angle between 2 and this plane is pi by 4. They already given it. Okay. And given plane is y minus z plus pi equal to 0. Y minus z plus pi is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 4. Angle between 2 and 4 is pi by 4. Angle between 2 and 4 is pi by 4 years. Therefore, formula is tan of cos of pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4 is equal to n1 dot of n2 here divided by modulus of n1 bar into modulus of n2 bar here. Take here modulus n. Therefore, n1 is given by cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 here. That is equal to n1. So here ai plus bj plus ck here. ai plus bj plus ck dot of n2 is 0i 1j minus k. So 0i plus j minus of k divided by, it's a modulus here, root of a square plus b square plus c square here. A square plus b square plus c square and the root of 0 square plus 1 square plus minus 1, it's a square. It's a modulus here. Therefore 1 by root 2 here, 1 by root 2 is equal to, it's a dot product here, a into 0 becomes a 0 b into 1 becomes b plus b. C into minus 1 is a minus of c divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square root of 2. Root of 2. Okay, here n1 bar is equal to ai plus bj plus ck, and n2 bar is equal to here 0i plus j and minus of k. Okay, these are normal to the plane. Then root 2, this root 2 cancels here. Take this term this side here. Root of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to b minus c. Then squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both the sides. Therefore, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to b square plus c square minus of 2bc here. Then b square, this b c square cancels here. Hence, a square is equal to minus of 2 into bc here. But here c is equal to minus b here. So use here. Therefore, so a square is equal to minus of 2b into minus of b from equation 3 from 3. Okay, therefore a square is equal to minus into minus become plus 2b square here. Therefore a is equal to root 2 into b. Okay, a is equal to root 2 into b here. In this case, a is equal to root 2 b here, and c is equal to minus b. Therefore, direction ratios are, a, b, c are the direction. A, b and c are the direction ratios here. A is equal to this root 2 into b here. Root 2 into b, comma. Then b keep as b here, and instead of c take a minus b here. So it is a minus of b here. It is a, b and c. A is equal to root 2 into b here, and b keep as it is, and c is equal to minus b. So these are the direction ratios here. Suppose b value 1 here. Okay, if b is equal to 1, because it is true for all the values of b here. If b is equal to 1 here, it is true for all the values of b. Therefore, in that case, you will get root 2, then 1 and minus 1. You will get a second option here. Suppose b is equal to root 2 here. If b is equal to root 2, then substitute here. Root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. Then root 2 minus of root 2 here. C is the correct. So both options are correct here. Okay. Here these are direction ratios of normal to the plane here. Here it is true for all the values of b here. We are taking b is equal to 1 and root 2 here. If you take b value 1, you get these direction ratios. If you take b value root 2, you will get these direction ratios here. So both are correct options here. Here multiple solution is there. The planar containing the line x minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 5 plus 2 divided by minus 1 equal to z minus 1 divided by 3, and also contains its projection on the planar 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, which contains which one of the following parts here. So therefore, here given equation of the line is so x minus 3 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 divided by minus 1 is equal to z minus 1 upon 3 here. Is the given line. This is a given line passing to the point of 3 minus 2 1 here. Passing through the point of, so 3 minus 2 1 and a parallel to the vector and a parallel to the vector. B bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k. 2i minus j plus 3k. So this line lies on the required plane here. So this is a line here. This is a line. Equation of the line is this here. Passing to the point and parallel to the vector b bar here. B bar is a 2i minus j plus 3k. And this plane contains this line here. Okay, means the line lies on the required line. So this line lies on the required plane here. And this plane perpendicular to the given plane. This plane perpendicular to the given plane. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to pi. Is equal to pi, and it's a normal. And it's a normal to the plane. Is n bar equal to 2i plus 3j minus k. 2i plus 3j minus k means this is a plane here. Then this is a normal here. N bar. So 2i plus 3j minus k is a normal to this plane here. It is perpendicular to this plane here. Yes, sir. B bar is along this plane, and n bar is also along the plane only, because here this is a b bar and this is n bar. Then this is a vector here. This is a vector perpendicular to this plane here. Okay. Therefore, this plane passing to the point of 3 minus 2 1 and having the direction means having a normal to this plane b bar cross n bar. B bar cross n bar is normal to this plane here. Okay, here this is a vector b bar. It is just like a b bar is a vector here and n bar is one more vector. Then this vector is given by b bar cross of n bar. It is a perpendicular to both b bar as well as n bar, like that here. Okay, this vector is b bar, this vector is n bar. Both are lies on the plane only. Then this is the normal here, b bar cross of n bar, like this. It is a perpendicular to this plane here, perpendicular to this plane. Hence, this is the plane passing to this point here. Therefore, required plane here. Required plane is r bar minus of a bar dot of b bar cross of n bar, that is equal to 0. So that is a determinant of x minus of this 3x. Okay, y minus of minus becomes a plus 2, z minus 1 here. Then the b bar is this vector here. So 2 minus 1 and a plus 3 here. Then n bar is this vector here. So 2, so 3 minus of 1, that is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now you simplify this one here. X minus 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Minus of 3 is 9 here. Minus of y plus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 3 2 is 6 here. Plus z minus 1 into 3 2 is 6 minus of 2 into minus is minus 2, minus minus plus 2, that is equal to 0. Then 9 minus 1 minus 9 is minus 8 here. X minus 3 into minus of 8 minus y plus 2 into minus 8 here. Then plus z minus 1 into 8, that is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by minus 8 here. Dividing both sides by minus 8. Minus 8 cancels, so we get x minus 3. Minus 8, this minus 8 cancels here. Minus of y plus 2 gives minus y minus 2 here. Then 8 and minus 8 cancels, remaining minus 1 here. Minus 1 into z is minus of z. Minus into minus become plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence x minus y minus z here. Minus 3 plus 1 becomes a plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a linear. Now we go on substitute the parts here. Substitute here. Minus 2 here. It gives a minus of 2. Then plus 2 minus behind minus is there. So minus of 2 here. That is a minus 2. So means a minus of 2 here. Plus 2 cannot be 0. Take this part here. Put x value 2 here. And y value 2. So minus of 2. And z is a 0 here. It becomes a 0 plus 2. It cannot be 0 here. Take this part here. Put x value 2 here. Minus of y is a 0. So write here 0. And z is a minus 2. Minus of minus become plus 2 here. Then plus 2 is equal to 0 here. So here minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 plus 1 is a minus 4 here. Therefore, just substitute the values here. In this case, third option is correct here. Means the point lies on the plane here. Therefore, 2, 0 minus 2. 2, 0 minus 2 lies on the plane here. Therefore, third option is correct here.